Hello students, in previous class we are study about the what applications of trigonometry. In this application of trigonometry, I will explaining the what basic points to how did we solve the application of trigonometry. Now I will give the examples. That examples will ask the examinations in previous year in CBSE especially. So how did we have solved the what? The application of trigonometry. Okay, so here the question is, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other. So you can read the question, on the base of the questions, so you can draw the diagram. So here the two poles having the what? Equal heights, the standing opposite to each other. They are standing the what? Opposite to each other. So now we consider the two poles. So these two are the poles. The condition is these two poles are standing opposite to each other as well as the what? Equal heights. So we consider A, B and C, D are the two poles. They are standing opposite to each other on either side of the roads, the which 80 meter wide. The distance between the two poles become what? 80 meter wide. Okay, 80 meter wide, but the height of the poles they are not mentioning. So just only the distance between them is 80 meter wide. The angle of elevation, next point is, from a point distance between on the road, the angle of elevation, you know that what is called as the angle of elevation. Previous section I will explaining the definition of angle of elevation as well as depression. The angle of elevation top of the poles is angle of elevation of the top of the poles 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. So here 60 degree and 30 degree respectively, that is what? The angle of elevation of the top of the poles, and you can find the height of the poles. You can also find out the what? Height of the poles and the distance between the point from the poles, where did the point we are mentioning when the distance between these two poles is 80 meter wide. The point should be where we can mentioning either middle one is or near to CD or near to AB. So how did we identify this one? If it is the point are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively, means so as the point is moves towards the what? CD, the angle of elevation will be increases. As you can move towards the what? AB, the angle of elevation will be increases. Angle of elevation is 60 degree, 30 degree. Therefore one should be what? 60 degree and another one should be what? 30 degree. Therefore this point is does not midpoint of the what? BD. The point is does not midpoint of the BD. Therefore so we are consider a point here, so we consider as point E. We can call A, B, C, D, E. This E is the point. So then it is near to what? The pole AB. The point E which is near to what? AB compared to what? CD. Therefore this the angle of elevation we consider as a what? 60 degree. And next one is which is away from that point E, which is away from the CD, is it will take the more distance. Therefore so this angle of elevation, so we are taking as a what? 30 degree. We are taking a what? 30 degree. Okay, 30 degree. Then what you can find? You can find out the height of the poles and distance between the point from the poles. How much of the distance? The point which is away from these poles. Okay, so here is AB and CD. You can AB and CD are the what? Height of the poles. AB and CD AB and CD are height of the poles. Height of the poles. Okay, height of the poles. The angle of elevation is 60 degree as well as 30 degree. So both height will be equal height. Here they mention two poles are equal height. That means that is AB, which is equal to what? CD, which are equal height. AB and CD, which is equal height, is equal height, is equal heights. Okay, equal height. So you can find out the distance of the point, distance of the what? Find the height of the poles as well as the distance of the point which is away from the both the two poles. Okay, so how do you find out this one? Is in the first angle of elevation 60 degree to make a one right angle triangle, and 30 degree is another right angle triangle. 60 degree, so we can call it is a what? Right angle triangle. ABD, we choose this right angle triangle, but we don't know the what is the length of BE and DE. Okay, just they given the what? BD, which is equal to what? BD is the what? BD is equal to 80 meter wide, 80 meter wide of the road, 80 meter wide of the road is given, 80 meter of the wide is given. So BE can be written as BD. You can subtract the what? DE. BD. BE can be obtained by total length of BD. You can subtract the what? DE. You obtaining a what? The BE length. But BE is not given. You also find out the BE length as well as DE also. So how do you find out this one is? So you can taking the triangle, which one is first angle of elevation 60 degree. Therefore you are taking the triangle, which one is triangle ABE. The side which is opposite to theta. So opposite to theta is called as the opposite side. We find out the length of what? BE. Therefore, so this one we can call as the what? Adjacent side. Okay, and it is a hypotenuse. And also here the find out the what? We find out the length of DE also. Therefore this DE is also adjacent side, and the theta which is opposite to side is called as the what? Opposite side. The side which is opposite to theta is called as opposite side. We also find out the CD length as well as AB length, BE length as well as DE length. Okay, so we choose the triangle, which one is triangle ABE, first triangle. The angle of elevation is 60 degrees given. The angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Therefore, so tan opposite side of adjacent side. We are taking as a what? Tan. Understood? Tan. Therefore, here we are taking as a tan 60 degree is equal to, that is AB divided by BE. So then what is the values of tan 60 degree? Tan 60 degree can be find out the values by using your fingers, by using your hands. We usually to identify the tan 60 degree values like this. Here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So tan 60 degree means you can fold the 60, means what? You can fold this fingers, that is left hand side and right hand side, to obtaining a sine and cos values. Therefore sine divided by cos, left sides we are mentioning as a sine values, and right side we are mentioning as a cos values. So you can put the root here. So root 3 divided by what? Root 1. Therefore tan 60 degree value is sine divided by cos, means what? Root 3 divided by root 1. By using your hand, we usually to identify the tan 60 degree, tan 30 degree or any trigonometric angles, we usually to identify using your fingers. Therefore tan 60 degrees root 3 divided by 1, we are taking root 3 by 1, and AB divided by AB divided by BE. AB divided by BE. So you can call it as a what? Equation number 1. Equation number 1. Therefore, BE root 3BE is equal to root 3BE is equal to what? AB. Root 3BE is equal to what? Root 3BE is equal to AB. We can call it as equation number 1. Equation number 1. And next one is, next another right angle triangle. Which one is the right angle triangle? Another one is triangle. Which one is CDE? CDE. Another right angle triangle CDE, that is tan 30 degree value is, tan 30 degree is equal to CD divided by what? CD divided by DE. CD divided by DE. CD divided by tan 30 degree value is 0 degree, 30 degree. If we can fold this one is 30 degree in the fingers, so what we obtaining is here the sine as well as cos. Sine means root 1 divided by root 3. 1 by root 3 we are obtaining, 1 by root 3, that is CD, we don't know the length of CD as well as DE values. Therefore, cross multiplication, so what we obtaining? DE is equal to what? Equation root 3 into CD, called as equation number 2. After we are finding the equation 1 and 2, just only you can substitute equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 you can substitute in equation 2, or equation 2 you can substitute in equation 1 by using the what? This values. By using the what? The given is. How do you substitute here is the CD instead of AB, AB instead of CD. It means what? That here the both height will be equal. So we are use this one is DE is equal to root 3 AB we write. Because of what? Because of what? That is AB, which is equal to what? CD. If they are equal height, therefore we can call it is equation number 2. So we call this one is equation number 2. Thereafter AB instead of what you write? AB instead of what? Root 3 DE we are obtaining. AB instead of we write the what? Instead of root 3B. Therefore equation 1 you can substitute in equation number 2. Equation 1 substitute in equation number 1. So what we are obtaining? DE is equal to root 3 AB instead of what you write here? Root 3 BE we write. Root 3 B. Root 3 B. Root 3 BE is nothing but root 3 into root 3. Root 9. Root 9. Its value is root 9 BE. That is stand for what? To do DE is equal to what? 3B. 3B. But BE is nothing but what? BE is nothing but what? BE is nothing but BD minus DE. BD minus DE. DE is equal to 3BE. 3BE. BE is nothing but we use the BE, that is 3 times of BE is nothing but BD minus D. BD minus D. So we are use this one is. So therefore DE is equal to 3 times of what is the BD value? The BD value is 80. That means the distance between the poles are the 80 meter wide of the road is, therefore we are substitute here 80 minus DE. Okay, so multiplied DE 3 8s are 24, 240 minus DE. So you can transpose this one is DE plus DE is equal to what? 240. 2DE is equal to 240 divided by 240. Therefore DE is equal to 240 divided by 2. Therefore DE length is how much? Is 120 meters we are obtaining. DE is equal to what? 120. Is it right? So 120 we are obtaining, that is what DE value is. So therefore DE value is 120. Okay, sorry, here we write multiplied, after multiplied to obtaining a what? Multiplied 3DE we are obtaining 3D. So you can transpose this one is 3DE transpose DE plus 3DE is equal to what? 240. 3DE plus 1DE is 4DE. 4DE is equal to 240. Therefore DE is equal to what? 240 divided by 4. Therefore DE is equal to what? 60. DE is equal to 60. DE value is 60. DE value is 60. Then we easily to find out the what? BE values. Therefore BE is equal to what? BD or DB or BD, you can subtract the what? DE. What is the BD value is? 80. DE value is already we find 60. That is how much is? 20. That is B. The point E is the distance away from the pole. BE is the 20 meter, and point T, which is away from the pole of the height, the CD, which is 60 meter away from this pole CD. Then after we are finding the what? BE as well as DE, then we are also find out the what? There is the what? Height of the pole we are finding. The height of the poles can be finding. So this, you know that root 3 BE is equal to what? AB. Therefore the values you can substitute in equation 1. In this equation number 1 is root 3 BE is equal to what? AB. Understood? So BE values already we find out. This one is root 3 into 20 is equal to AB. That is 20 root 3 is equal to AB. Therefore AB is equal to CD is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Because of both the height of the poles, will be equal. Therefore AB is equal to CD is 20 meter height. Are you understood? So how did we solve this one is, you can read the question carefully and draw the diagrams. After we draw the diagram, then we easily to solve the problems. It is easy to we are solving the problems. So when you draw the diagram, okay. So if you draw the diagram, 50% of problems will be clearly, it will be solved. And next one is what you are taking? The angle of elevation. The angle of elevation, two angle of elevation is here. Two angle of elevation. First angle of elevation is 60 degree. Therefore you are taking the, that is first angle of elevation tan 60 degree, AB divided by B. You know, if you for all these trigonometric angles values, we must and should be perfected. In previous class I will explaining to that all trigonometric the angles values. So how did we have remembering it? By using a fingers. Understood? So therefore tan 60 degree values you can substitute, called as equation number 1. Then what I explaining to you? So then another right angle triangle tan 30 degree, that is means triangle CD tan 30 degree is equal to, substitute the values. So this is called as equation number 2. Just equation 1 and 2, just only you can substitute it. equation 1 and 2 are two equation, substitute in equation 1, or equation 1 you can substitute in equation 2. After substitution, and you are easy to find out the what the questions will be asked in examination. Understood? You can use all these points, what is the given points is, and you can here the ratios, if the ratios are given, then if you can think about it. So B length is not given, so you easily to identify that out of 80 you can subtract 80 to obtaining a B values, or D is equal to instead of B you can write as D is equal to what, total BD, you can subtract B, obtaining a D value. Therefore you can understand the questions and draw the diagram using the steps, and we able to solve the any problems regarding about the applications of. I hope you better understood about these problems. Okay, thank you.